This is Argus OS from Cohesive Robotics. It's the high-mix operating system for industrial robots, built specifically for manufacturers in critical industries who need to handle lots of part variability and quick production changes. With Argus OS, there's no specialized technicians needed and no costly downtime for programming. Robotics sells scan parts, programs itself with collision-free optimized motions, and runs the job. Precise 3D scans generate millions of data points in seconds, and AI models run locally to constantly improve performance. The result? A smarter robot cell that adapts to your parts. Need to rework or focus on an area? Simply mark up the part. Use the HMI to select the area, set up process parameters, and preview the toolpath. Save and reuse these recipes for future jobs. Then, preview the optimized collision-free robot program. Or use our basic mode to skip these preview steps for faster cycle times. Run the job. For finishing tasks, industrial-grade compliance and tooling ensures a consistent quality finish at any time of day. Argus OS has everything you need to support your factory floor with smarter industrial robots. That means important features for high-mix workflows, like batch processing of mixed parts. Automatic tool changing to handle multiple tasks and processes in the same work cell. And it's all available with our pre-engineered turnkey systems for quicker deployments and ROI. With Argus OS from Cohesive Robotics, the toughest manufacturing jobs just got their most dependable coworker.